In the video for today, I'm going to show you how you could use WhatsApp on your laptop or your Windows 10 computer system. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech. And how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. Well, if you are not doing fantastic and you are watching my video for today, I absolutely understand the fact that you are facing an issue using WhatsApp on your PC or your laptop. Don't you worry, watch my video till the end. I promise you, you are definitely going to go away with a big smile on your face. And if you are around here for the first time, I suggest you subscribe to my channel, smash that bell notification icon, and always share my content after you watch my videos. So let me dive straight in. In order for you to use WhatsApp on your laptop or your PC, there are basically two ways to do it. The first way is to directly get to the website for WhatsApp. It's very simple and easy. On a Windows 10 computer system, you go to the search box and type in WhatsApp. Okay, once you type in WhatsApp and hit the search button, you would be directed to this search page on your default browser. So the first option you see here, WhatsApp web, you need to click on this link. Very simple. You click on that link and you get to this page for using WhatsApp on your computer. Okay, whatever it is, your laptop or your computer system or whatever. So once you get to this web page, the next thing to do is open WhatsApp on your phone. Okay, it's as simple and easy as that. So according to the website, after you open the WhatsApp on your phone, you need to tap the menu option, okay, or settings. Once you tap the menu option, you click on settings, and the next thing to do is right near your profile picture to the right, you would see a QR code. You need to click on that specific QR code icon. Once you click on that QR code icon, you click on scan code. Now, once you click on scan code, you would get an option to scan this QR code, which is on your computer system or your laptop. As simple as that. Okay, so you scan this QR code, and on your phone you would get a pop-up telling you that there is a device login code detected, that you are trying to log in to the website version of WhatsApp. Okay, so you click on continue and you would get an option to link your computer to your WhatsApp account or link your PC to your WhatsApp account. You click on link a device option on your phone and you would be able to scan the QR code out here and log into your WhatsApp account on the website. Okay, another way to log into your WhatsApp account is by using a browser that already has WhatsApp on it. So browsers like maybe Opera already has an option to log into the web version for your account on WhatsApp. So if you have the Opera browser, well and good, you would get an option to log into your WhatsApp account on the WhatsApp website, or you could download Opera and you could install it to your computer system. And once you have the browser installed, you open the browser and you get an option here to log into the web version for WhatsApp. Okay, so you click on this icon here for WhatsApp and Opera would direct you to this pop-up out here. All right, again, you need to scan this QR code so that you could log into the web version. Like I explained to you in method number 1, to log into the web version for WhatsApp, you do the same thing out here. Okay, you click on settings or the 3 dots, you get a drop down, click on settings, and then you click on the QR code icon right to the side of your profile picture. Okay, you click on that icon or that button and you click on scan QR code. Okay, once you click on scan QR code, you get a pop-up telling you that there is a device login code detected. Click on continue on that pop-up and you get an option to link a device. Okay, so you click on link a device and you would get an option to scan this code. Once you scan this code, you would be logged into the web version for WhatsApp through the Opera browser. As simple and easy as this. So these are the two methods that you could use to log into the web version for WhatsApp. If you face any difficulty, you can re-watch this video and understand how to do this correctly. So I hope I was able to provide some value to you through my video for today. If I did, please give my video a thumbs up and post a nice little comment. So this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will definitely come back with another interesting video similar to this. You take care till then. Peace out.